Good morning, everyone. My name is Muhammad Ahan Sayyid Asif. I am studying in first standard B. Today I am going to tell about my school. My school name is Christ English Medium School. My school is one of the best schools in the city. I learn new things every day in my school. We are proud of our school, so I love my school. Thank you.
ಕ್ರೈಸ್ಟ್ ಕಿಂಗ್ ವಿದ್ಯಾಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಕಾರ್ಕಳ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಭವಿಷ್ಯಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಒಂದು ಉತ್ತಮ ಆಯ್ಕೆ. ದಾಖಲಾತಿ ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭಗೊಂಡಿದೆ. ಈ ಕೂಡಲೇ ಸಂಪರ್ಕಿಸಿ.